Robert King, Poultry South here with you. We're in Brantley, Alabama on the Dewrell poultry farm. This is a 4-house farm and we're going into 2 of the 55 by 500s that were built in 2015. You see it's all Chortronics controls. It's got a pneumatic drinker system here. This farm's got city water and well water. Got 3-inch lines coming into all the house, plenty of volume there. Very well kept, very well maintained farm. We'll step on out and around and go into the poultry houses themselves. See, it's chore time equipment. 3 feed lines in this house and 6 water lines. Either way, it's got LB whites, tube heat there, bifold front and back doors. Obviously it is a solid sidewall house being built in 2015. Really nice farm. Potential gross income on this place between $275,000 and $285,000 a year with the 4 houses. The farm sits on about 16 acres just outside Brantley. There's a nice 3-bedroom ranch brick home on the property with a pool. There is a stocked bass pond on the property. Real nice shop. So it'd be a great farm for somebody that wants to live that rural lifestyle, have a great place to bring up your kids, or just kind of take a step back. Again, it's Robert King, Poultry South. Look us up, PoultrySouth.com.